Yes, good day to you guys, and today is all about moving forward with love and gratitude. And right now, my heart is overflowing with gratitude, mainly because kakatapos lang ng SB Lead 01 natin guys, and it's a huge success. So everyone is moving forward, everyone was having multiple breakthroughs, even pagkatapos ng lead, nag-transform lahat with a new identity, with a new self-image. But the bigger question is, what's next? So sasagutin natin yan dito sa vlog na to. By the way, my name is Amjel Lopez and welcome to another vlog. Set up. Ayan guys, so we are now here in Power Talks, Mandaluyong. So we will prepare for the setup. You have to understand that in every event that we do it with love, compassion, and excellence, guys. So, normally, we are 2 hours early, 3 hours early, so that the staffing team can prepare the venue. So, right now, ipe-prepare natin yung venue, pag-uusapan natin lahat ng dapat gawin today because we will film testimonial videos. Sasalubungin natin yung SB Lead 01 with happiness kasi sobrang excited sila and meron agad tayong reunion today. So, it's gonna be fun. And then, meron pa tayong mastermind session na may live streaming. In preparation din yan para sa mga Power Talks natin and sa mga future self-mastery na paid events natin. So, ang daming ganap today and there's a huge chance that we will onboard new platinum members. So, I want to show you what really happens the whole day, especially in how we prepare in serving people. So, let's go, guys! Share tayo later on, pero I just want to give you the rundown muna. So what will happen is, again, nasabi ko na kanina, set up kayo para lang malinaw na tayo, clear na lahat. Food naman, hindi ko sure kung mamumroblema tayo sa food, no? Pero just in case, just be prepared para lang may pagkain lagi yung team, especially yung media and kayo. So, balitaan mo na lang ako from time to time if there's something needed pang idagdag, like dagdag tayong chicken and all that. Same task tayo as before, pero we'll do it with more excellence pa rin, no? Kumbaga, lead vibes, para lang masustain yung lead vibes natin, and more importantly, ma-feel nila na nung nag-start pala yung lead, may judgment lang talaga sila sa energy. Kasi itatakil ko yan mamaya. Bukang bibig kasi nila yun eh. Hindi nila alam, neutral energy lang yung pinaportray eh. So I'm gonna tackle that as well. And later on, you have to do the exercises then. Kasi most of you had your own transformation, had your own breakthroughs. Pero the bigger question always is what's next? Which is yan yung laging nakakalimutan after lead. So talagang magsaset tayo ng dikdikang goal because goal setting is always different after lead. Parang iba-iba siya eh, iba. Tapos mas malalim lang na goal setting. Yun yung gagawin natin. So yan guys. Super excited guys kasi bago yung microphone natin, ito, no? So ito yung ginagamit ni Tony Robbins guys. This is really expensive kahit sobrang nipis niya lang. So super excited akong gamitin siya. And yeah, this is me investing more so that I can serve more people. Kasi guys, naalala ko yung ginagamit ko, ang sikip dito sa sentido. Piling ko nakalubog na yung ganito ko eh. Pero ngayon, sobrang lightweight siya. Share ko lang sa inyo guys. Oh. Ito na yung gamit nating bago. Sennheiser. And may mga bago tayong tools. No? Mamaya papakita namin sa inyo yung gears na gamit natin and how we produce the very immersive live streaming. So for now, unbox muna natin to guys. Bumili rin ako ng bagong battery. Teka, susuot ko. Pakita ko lang sa ating vlog. Suot natin, Henry. Check sound. 1, 2, check. Yes. Yes, good day to you guys. Come on! Let's go! Grabe, oh. Liit lang. Tapos dito sa baba, hindi siya dito. Hindi siya dito eh. Ito dito. Mas manipis lang siya. Kasi pag yung plosives, tumatama. But anyway, super excited. So yun lang guys. Excel, good afternoon! Staffing team, kindly announce the GC yung mastermind. We will start a bit later. Baka nag-aabang sila ng Zoom link eh. No? So we will start like 7. Okay. Alright? So do we have insights in what to do? Can I share with you a story? Right? I actually did this exercise in Date with Destiny and in Business Mastery in Tony Robbins space. So we did the meditation and lahat kami nakasigaw, all I need to think, all I need to feel, all I need to do is what? Intense kami, nakatayo, susulat kami ganyan. And what I wrote is something like really simple. Really simple, no? Ang lumabas sa akin doon is you have to serve people again unconditionally. So that's when I started going live again. And then that's when I started, especially nung sinabi ni William na pupunta siya dito, Power Talks. So like, okay, how can I serve people nang walang bayad na, sige, I'll start Power Talks. And Power Talks led to SB Lead. So this is really powerful. Because again, you are in a powerful state. You are in an abundant state. Whatever you think now can align you and push you to actually go to the next level. Because sometimes the things that you need to do is not complicated. Sometimes you already know what you should do, what you must do. You with me still? Now I want to serve you guys, but we lack the time. Is it okay with you if I invite you again here next week? Because next week, I'm gonna teach you how to create content. It's free. It's free. For SB Lead, I will teach you how to generate leads, create content, build your own brand, personal brand. Sinimulan lang natin kasi sa goals. Guys, this is how you create value. Hindi ito paramihan ng views. Kasi pag ito yung dumaming views, massive conversion to. Massive conversion. Because you are targeting the right audience. Yeah? It's because if you don't share, ito yung pinagdaanan ko bago ako nakarating doon o bago ko na-solve yung problema, you will sound what? Fucking fake. When you create content about a person, you are borrowing the person's credibility. It's because when you mention someone who is credible in the marketplace, nadadala mo yung credibility niya. Do you understand? Alright, okay tayo, learning? Gusto niyo maman? Yes! Gusto maging successful? Yes! Gusto makatulong sa mga tao? Yes! Support the SB Lead 02, join the Ultimate Mastery, and always remember that everything good starts with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you later sa Mastermind. Ayan guys, it's exactly 6 p.m. right now. Kakatapos lang ng moving forward with love and gratitude for the SB Lead 01. And super grateful guys. And I want to serve these people more. That is why every week baka magkaroon kami ng session. Especially pag-uusapan na natin is content creation, right? But later guys, we will have a mastermind session for Ultimate Mastery, and I will share with you the setup, kung paano namin pinaprepare yung place at paano kami nagsa-setup. For now, we're gonna have dinner, kwentuhan ulit yung team, and I'm gonna see you guys later. So in a few minutes, we will start the mastermind session. And this is extremely immersive, guys. So here's the structure. Every Friday, we have mastermind sessions. So first Friday would be Power Talks. Next would be Success Blueprint. And next will be the Ultimate Mastery. And Ultimate Mastery has access to everything. And there's a Friday for our paid event which will be the Self-Mastery event. Okay, guys, so you can join that event in the future, and the Platinum, sometimes the Ultimate Mastery people can attend the paid events for free as well. And to give everyone, especially the people outside the countries, mga OFWs, mga student natin sa iba't ibang bansa, even the international students that we have, to serve people better, we are investing in gears, equipments, cameras. So here we have the FX3 and a GM lens. No? So this is really expensive, guys, but we are investing money for this. So ang trabaho nito is to get the reactions of the students kasi may mga Q&A sessions tayo, meron tayong mga coaching sessions. So merong nakatutok sa akin na camera, but this one is intended for the reactions of the students. Okay? So again, GM lens, and we have a wireless setup here. So ito yung battery nga nandito, ito yung Pyro. I think it's the HoloLens Pyro. Trabaho nito is magbato ng data sa switcher natin. Okay? So let's look at the next camera. So for the next camera, guys, ito yung nakatutok sa akin. So same FX3, but it's a different GM lens. Okay, so magkaiba siya ng range. Hindi ko kabisado kung alin dito yung mas malayo. But anyway, the purpose of this is to film me on stage. Especially, malikot ako sa stage, tapos may mga frameworks tayo. Ito yung tumututok kung nasan ako. Okay? So again, same setup, guys. We have here the HoloLens Lark and a battery pack here para mag-transmit ng data sa switcher natin so that the people here at the back, ang focus nila is to switch the cameras from time to time. So kahit nasa Zoom kayo, guys, it will be a really immersive experience. And then, let's look at the next camera. So right now, we are filming using the FX6 and a GM lens na wide, guys. So ito siya, guys, no? So ito yung pinaka-main camera natin na ang trabaho nito, ipakita lahat so that the people in the Zoom, in the live stream, will actually see the bigger picture. Para makita nila yung buo, ano yung nangyayari, what's really happening, especially pag may nag-share, pag may body system tayo, pag may nagno-notes, para immersive yung experience. And of course, our goal is to be here as well. But if hindi talaga kaya, for example, we have a student in New Zealand who attends Mastermind Live. But because of Ultimate Mastery, they are able to afford going here in the Philippines to attend SB Leads 01. So again, in a few moments, we will start. So now, we have to prepare. Let's go. Right? So we receive the blessings, the wealth, the abundance in God's name. Yes! Okay. It's great to you guys, and it's a productive day. So, sobrang dami nangyari. Nag-start tayo with some moments with the SB Lead 01 team, testimonials, kumain, tapos nag-serve tayo sa kanila, the event called Moving Forward with Love and Gratitude. And we talked about moving forward with goals, dreams, self-love, and all that. And then after that, nag-set up tayo. Pinakita ko sa inyo yung setup natin, yung live streaming natin, how we serve people, and more importantly, very successful yung mastermind sessions. No? Ang ganda ng topic, guys. And you have to understand that during mastermind of Ultimate Mastery students, we talk about frameworks, business, and malalim na usapan about business. And good news, guys, nadagdagan yung platinum members natin. That's why nag-onboard tayo, and Mark is already a platinum member. So, and if you want to manifest productive days in your life as well, a winning day as well, you have to be intentional. Nasisimulan mo yung araw mo with the clear intention that I will win this day, that I will be productive.
Alright? So ngayon, magsa-set up na kami pa uwi. And it's around 11 p.m. So, ligpit na kami guys. Uwi na yung staffing team, yung media team. And if you like videos like this, and I'm sure that you do, please like, comment, share, and more importantly, please let us know kung ano yung nagugustuhan nyo sa mga content natin so that we can create more of it. So yun lang guys, this is the end of the vlog, and always remember that everything good starts with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you soon. See you soon.